Hi ladies, it's Dawn and I wanted to come on here today to talk to you about another clean, cruelty-free, vegan, PETA certified makeup brand. And I did make one video in the past mentioning this brand. I did an eye makeup look using their palette, and the brand is called Clove Hallow, and it is a wonderful indie makeup brand, and they've kind of taken the clean beauty world by storm because they have a very wide range of colors. They won an award from Ebony magazine for having so many colors so that you can find a color suitable to whatever your skin tone is. They are, like I said, PETA certified, they're vegan, they're just really beautiful products, and the price point is along lines with a higher drugstore price point, kind of along the same lines as Pacifica, but you can't find them at the drugstore. You can find them on Credo Beauty, Detox Market, any kind of cleaner beauty website, and then of course on the Clove Hallow website. They have their own website, and I wrote them a letter to ask if I could be an affiliate and kind of work with them, meaning that they would send me a few products and give me a discount code to share with you. Now, they did send me just a couple of their best-selling products, but then I went on and purchased way more with my own money using the code so that I would have a lot of products to share with you, and that I will also link the code below in case you'd like to try anything from this brand. But one of their best-selling products is their creamy concealer. They did send this to me. I've made a couple videos mentioning it because I received mine in December, so I've been using these for a couple of months before I wanted to make a video and tell you all about them. And this is a wonderful concealer. It comes in 10 shades, and it's very creamy. It's full of antioxidants. It doesn't cake, and this is my favorite concealer in the green beauty world. I can see why this is such a popular product, and if you want to find out anything more about it, you can read the reviews on their website or watch YouTube videos. It seems to be a real crowd pleaser. It does give you a very like a medium buildable coverage. It will cover any redness, any blemishes. It'll cover my freckles if I want it to. And they don't have a foundation, like a creamy foundation that you can apply. So I like to use this, and I'm gonna do a little demo at the end of this video showing you how I like to use it, but I like to kind of put it all over in my T-zone the way I would a foundation, and then blend it in with a damp beauty sponge, because the foundation that they have is a mineral foundation, and again, it comes in a broad range of colors. And you purchase the pan. I think the pan is about $15 or $18, and then this case is $8. So they sent me this pan. I did purchase another one so I could have one for my purse, and then I purchased the 2 cases. So but they're really durable, and like I said, you purchase the case so that way you only have to purchase it once, and then you just replace the product, so you don't have all this waste where you're repurchasing the whole case and then tossing it out and replacing another one. So I really like that. And the powder is full of antioxidants. It has rosemary extract, sunflower extract, rice bran, and it's a mineral powder with a satin finish. I will tell you, when I first got this in December, I got it during that time when I had really dried out my skin using a vitamin C serum that was too strong, and also the Chicago weather. I was outside shoveling the driveway and my skin was very, very chapped. So I actually was going to make a first impression video sharing this with you, but it did not look good on my very dry skin. So I decided just to share that with you and tell you that if you are someone who likes to really exfoliate your skin to the point that you're peeling a lot, you can buff this into your skin and help the peeling to look better than a traditional foundation would look, where it kind of grasps onto dry skin. But when my skin wasn't peeling and was just very, very dry, it made me look older. I would just powder it on, and I felt like my under eyes, you could really see my fine lines and wrinkles. It kind of gathered in there. So what I did is I gave it a rest, and I started really hydrating my skin, and I was using my peptide creams. And then I found that when my skin was back to its normal condition, it looks beautiful just wearing this alone as a foundation. And that's what I'm doing today. I just have this on as my foundation. I'll show you how I used it today, trying to build up the coverage by using the concealer beneath it. So that's the way I like to do it, but it is a beautiful powder. So I have this one and I keep it in my vanity, and I have another one that I keep in my purse, and I just have like a tiny little brush that I touch up my T-zone if I need to during the day. So anyway, I really do like this powder foundation, and it's really nice. I think I'm gonna really enjoy it over the summer months when my skin tends to be oilier. It'll really kind of help my skin have that nice satin finish during the day instead of having a greasy shine. The next product I wanted to share with you are their blushes. Now they did send one to me, and then I purchased another. The one they sent to me is in the color Naked, and when I got it, I thought it was a nail polish because it looks like this. And I opened it up and I thought, oh, they have a nail polish, a nice clean nail polish. But then I realized it isn't a nail polish, it's a mousse cream blush, and it's so nice. The texture is really nice, and a little bit goes a really long way. So you know, you can just put it on. I usually just draw a little line on my cheeks, and then I use a damp beauty sponge just to kind of blot it around. What I really like about Clove Hallow is that they're into minimalistic beauty and a really natural approach to beauty. So a lot of the products come in a very neutral, more natural shade. So if you're someone who really likes just a nice, natural, everyday look, but you will look very healthy and radiant, then I think that this will be the brand for you. It's not like Pacifica where they have a lot of palettes with funky colors, and it's not like super fun, but it's just a great, like, everyday, radiant, healthy look that you can achieve using their products. So all 4 blushes that they have come in neutral colors, like I said, and the 2 that I have is Naked that I just showed you, and then I have a lighter one that's pinker, and it's called Blossom, and it looks like this. And this is just a really pretty blush as well. And what I really like to do with the Blossom is on days when I don't really want to wear any makeup at all, I just kind of press it into my cheeks and put a little on my lips, and it just gives me a glow and a more natural look that just looks like I have younger skin that has that pink glow to it. I like them both very much, so I just want to show you these, and I can't remember how much these retail for. I'll put it across the screen. I'm not even gonna guess. I'll just put it across the screen, but they're definitely affordable. The next products that I love are favorites of mine, and they're lipsticks, and they did not send a lipstick to me. I did purchase these, and I have ballerina slippers and frosting, and that's what I'm wearing today. I have ballerina slippers all over my lips. And then right here, to add dimension, I put frosting, which is a very frosty kind of nude color. They both look very pretty on their own as well. The frosting, though, I like to wear with a darker lip liner, and it kind of has that 90s look where you have the nude with a little bit of a darker look. I kind of like that look because I'm a 90s girl, but I also really like it over other lipsticks. I just think it adds such a pretty dimension to my lipsticks when I just apply it just in the center of my lips. So the lipsticks are infused with jojoba, castor oil, and sunflower oil. They're PETA certified, food grade, they're vegan, and they are very creamy and moisturizing. So they're gonna leave your lips in really good shape, and they're gonna do something better for your lips than not wearing anything at all because they're infused with such great ingredients. And they come in 9 shades. So you could probably find one that you would really like. And then another product that I purchased is this lip product, and this is in Candied Hearts, and it looks like this. And it has a brush on one end, and you just twist the dial, and the product comes up. And let me show you what this looks like. And it's just a really pretty pink, just a really beautiful natural pink color, and I really like the formula. It's very creamy, it's very moisturizing. I typically do not like lipsticks that have this little brush. I just find that, I don't know, I'd rather have a doe foot applicator. So if I could change this, that would be the one thing I would change. But then you'd have to change the whole system of delivery to the twist coming up. But it doesn't bother me. The brush is not like frayed. It doesn't fan out and get, you know, it's a very good quality brush. So if that doesn't bother you, I mean, I would still definitely purchase it again or purchase more in other colors. But if I were to have one thing that I would change, I don't typically enjoy brush applicators. Like I said, the eyeshadow, I've done a video before and I did this look today, just a nice, natural, everyday, glowy makeup look. And I'm just gonna enclose a video showing you how I achieved the look I have today. And I'll come back and say goodbye. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I just wanted to introduce a new clean green beauty brand to you. In case you're interested in trying something new, I think that you will not be disappointed. Clove Hallow performs like a high-end luxury makeup brand, but the price can't be beat. And definitely, if you purchase anything, either go through my code or go to a store that sells, even Clove Hallow offers 15% when you come to their website anyway, or go to Credo Beauty and sign up for emails and you'll get a discount that way. But there are discounts all over, so you shouldn't have to pay full price. So I just wanted to add that as well. So leave me any questions or comments below and just say hello. I love interacting with you. I love knowing who's out there watching, and I love saying hello back to you. So I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day. See you next time.